Hey there. So today I'm going to try something a little bit different. Today I'd like to talk about 3 different Taiwanese companies that, in my opinion, have a lot of potential for the future. Yes, I think that these 3 companies could be very important for Taiwan's future. Now, although this video is sponsored, it's sponsored by Saley eSIM. I'll talk about them in a bit. But the companies that are the subject of this video that I'm going to talk about, they do not know I'm even making it. So they didn't sponsor me. They didn't ask me to do this. I just like to pay attention to industries that could be very important for the future. And these companies came up in my research. Now, of course, if any representatives from these companies watch this and you'd like to work with me in the future for a sponsored video, I'd be happy to work with you. My contact information is in the description below. And I think that this could be an interesting series. So if you, as a viewer, have any companies or any startups that you're thinking about that seem really interesting, that are working on some interesting solutions, or making a very useful product, then please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. It looks like it's going to rain. I might have to film the rest of this on a different day. Now, a lot of Taiwanese companies actually do a lot of international business, and that requires international travel. So if you know someone who's planning on traveling internationally this year, whether that's for business or whether that's just for a holiday, then I have to recommend today's sponsor, Saley eSIM. Whenever I travel abroad, I always use Saley eSIM to get fast, safe, and reliable and affordable data for my smartphone. So it's just something that I always use whenever I travel overseas. And it's starting to rain. Nope, all right. Well, the rain came and it didn't let up, so I had to switch to being inside with the green screen. It's been raining so much down here. I really want to travel somewhere which is just nice and sunny. And of course, if I do travel, I'll be using our sponsor, Saley eSIM. That's right, as I was saying before, Saley eSIM is my go-to app for whenever I'm traveling. With Saley eSIM, I don't ever have to worry about high roaming fees, and I don't have to use a tourist SIM card. That means I don't have to wait in line at the airport. I don't have to hand my phone over to a total stranger. I don't risk them damaging my phone while they're getting it out of the case or putting in the tourist SIM card. I don't have to worry about any of that because I use the Saley eSIM app. I simply have to pick my destination, choose how much data I want, pay, and boom, I have a fast, secure, reliable internet anywhere I'm traveling. It's super simple, it's very cost effective, and it's safe. So if you're traveling this year and you want good reliable data for your phone, please scan this QR code on screen or visit the link in the comments below, saley.com/UncleTopher, and don't forget to use the code UncleTopher at checkout. Then you can get an exclusive 15% off all of Saley's data plan. What I really love is that you can buy the data plans up to 30 days in advance. So the moment you land, the moment you arrive at your destination, you have internet. So I'm really happy to recommend Saley. Again, I use it whenever I travel overseas. It's so convenient, it's safe, it saves me a lot of time, and I'm just never gonna go back to using tourist SIM cards. No way. If that sounds good to you, then please scan this QR code. You'll download the app, or you can click the link in the description below, saley.com/UncleTopher. Again, don't forget to use the checkout code UncleTopher. That way, you'll save an exclusive 15% on any of Saley's data plans. And hey, just a big thanks to Saley for providing a great service and for supporting small creators like me. It really helps out the channel, so thank you very much. I really don't like filming inside. I want to go walking around. I got to go somewhere where it's nice and warm and dry. Wow, much better weather. Great. All right, so the first company I want to talk about has the potential to become a world leader in a huge field, robotics. and that company is Nexco. Nexco is an award-winning robotic solutions company that was established in 2018. And they have a parent company. They're part of the Nexcom group. And Nexco covers all sorts of robotic solutions. Basically, Nexco is a one-stop solution for any other company that wants to develop robotics. And one of the things that I really like about Nexco is that they focus on human safety first. All of their engineering, everything, their software, it all starts with human safety and how humans integrate seamlessly with robots. And as you can see, this is obviously not something that every robotics company does. So why is Nexco potentially critical to Taiwan's future? That's because robots are going to be an integral part of the future. They're going to be part of human life every step of the way. Right now, they're critical in manufacturing, and that's only going to continue, but expect robots to become critical components for healthcare, elder care, the military, logistics, retail, everything. Robots in the future, they're going to be part of everything. Like I said, Nexco is owned by Nexcom Group. And Nexcom Group, they cover a wide variety of solutions. They help companies with AI integration, with communications, with cybersecurity, a lot of stuff. And Nexcom is publicly traded on the Taipei Stock Exchange. Okay, I have to say that this is not investment advice. Investing is risky, and never invest what you can't afford to lose, okay? I just want to show Nexcom's stock performance. And I really, really wish that I bought their stock when I first heard about it, which was November of 2024. Look at it today. And you can see this little dip here. This is when Trump announced the tariffs, and you can see how well they recovered. So I think that this company has a lot of potential, and not just me, obviously major investors also feel this way. And if you want to learn more about Nexco or their parent company Nexcom, I have a link to their websites in the description below. The next company I want to talk about is making interesting developments in two key areas: drone defense and satellite communications. I'm talking about Tron Future Tech, also known as 创未来科技。
创未来科技。
创未来科技。Sorry. Tron Future Tech was established in 2018. And they develop space-based communication equipment and solutions, communicating from satellites down to the surface. And their satellite-based communication systems could possibly add a critical layer of communication security in the event of any sort of emergency, whether that's a conflict or like a major earthquake. They've already had their technology launched out into space on a satellite. It was launched in 2023 as part of a joint venture with other companies. And they also work in drone defense technology. I think their drone defense tower is really interesting. They have this anti-drone system, and it's specifically designed to defend against a swarm of drones. It uses different sensors and radar and camera and a jammer. It claims to have a 5-kilometer range, and it could be a very effective defense against any sort of drones that require a signal to operate. Personally, I think that if they're able to put this anti-drone defense system on a mobile platform like a ship or a truck or something like that, then it would really increase its potential and its application for Taiwan's defense. And if you want to learn more about Tron Future Tech, check out the link in the description. Finally, I want to mention a company that is making strides in cybersecurity, specifically cybersecurity designed to defend against quantum computing. I'm talking about JMM Tech. Now, quantum computing is still being developed and refined, but it looks like it will have the potential to quickly defeat today's encryption methods. So for example, an encryption that might take a modern computer 1 billion years to defeat, in theory, a quantum computer could defeat that same encryption in just a matter of minutes. Now, I'm really simplifying this because there's actually a lot of different ways to encrypt data, and I'm not an expert on that. I barely know anything about it. What I do know is that JMM Tech is an award-winning cybersecurity company founded here in Taiwan in 2022. And they have developed cutting-edge cybersecurity systems designed to even work against the future's quantum computers. So the work that JMM Tech is doing today could be critical to cybersecurity in the future. And as you know, cybersecurity is extremely important now. It's only going to become more important in the future. So I was really pleased to learn that there's a Taiwanese company that is developing next generation solutions to guard against the future's quantum computers. Check out their website for more information. The link is in the description. So please let me know if you found any of these companies interesting. Leave a comment. Also, if you're aware of any Taiwanese companies that are creating solutions to difficult problems, let me know in the comments below, please. Thanks a lot for watching. Please leave a like and a subscribe and share this video if you found it interesting. And a big thank you to my channel members. You're the best. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.